everyone. So today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a different video than what I typically do, and this one I wanted it to be about 10 beauty YouTubers that I love watching as like from a subscriber standpoint. I also want to do a part 2 to this video of non-beauty YouTubers that I watch as well, just because I don't know, there's just so many things to watch on YouTube, and sometimes I get stuck in a rut and I just watch the same stuff over and over. And yeah, I just love finding new creators that make really interesting videos. So this video is going to focus on 10 of my favorite beauty YouTubers, and then like I said, I will do 10 non-beauty YouTubers, and I'm always welcoming any of your recommendations of people or videos that I should watch, whether it's beauty or not beauty. I'm definitely open to watching a whole bunch of different things. And yeah, so I was just gonna get started and let you guys know the top 10 people that, like, when their videos pop up in my subscription feed, I watch them like immediately. Like, I don't miss videos from them usually, or if I do, I always catch up on all their videos, and I just enjoy so much of their stuff. So these are all going to be in no particular order, but just some of my favorite beauty YouTubers. Okay, so the first one I have on my list is Jessica Braun. She used to be, I think, Jam Beauty like 84, 85, I don't know, Jam Beauty something, but I really love her videos, and I just think, like, especially her beauty and also her like vloggy kind of videos, like her lifestyle stuff, and her husband also has a YouTube channel where he does more like travel oriented things. But I really love her channel just because, number one, she's so beautiful and so down to earth and so like humble and really like polite and kind, and just, oh my gosh, stuff like that. Like, she almost has like a little bit of her little geeky quirks at times that is just so lovable. And when I watch her videos, like, I just feel so good. Like, a little side note, one of my last few videos I was talking about how like negative YouTube is, and how people just are in it for like drama and for money and for fame and for clout and all that kind of stuff. But she's just like one of those really true down-to-earth people, that she's not crazy always doing like high-end makeup that is so expensive and so unattainable for a lot of people. She does a really good mix of high-end and drugstore, and a lot of dupes, a lot of declutters, stuff like that. Her declutters, like, I love watching declutters, and it's such a weird thing because sometimes I'm like, no, don't get rid of that, don't get rid of that, because I'm such like a hoarder myself. But it's just so refreshing to like see someone be able to like, okay, I love this, but I'm gonna pass it on because I love other things more, and I don't need 100 highlighters. And I'm like, true. But also, it kind of gives me a little bit of anxiety whenever I watch declutters, just because I don't like when things go to waste or anything. Not like she does that at all, but she's just so refreshing to watch. I love so many of her videos. I like watching her family videos as well, and she's just such an overall good person. So if you are not watching Jessica Braun, honestly, like, where are you? But also definitely check out her videos. She's just very wholesome and a very like good-hearted person, and I feel like that really shows through in a lot of her videos. Okay, number 2 is Leanne Says. She was one I subscribed to a long time ago. I watched a few of her videos. I just didn't get into her personality, and I kind of unsubscribed for a couple years, and then probably about, I don't know, maybe like 2 or 3 years ago, I went back to her channel, resubscribed, watched her stuff, and I have been hooked ever since. She's just so interesting, and she's so pretty. Again, these are all such beautiful people. It's unreal. And her body, she is so tall and so skinny. I'm like, oh my god, I wish I looked like her. But she kind of has like a little bit of her goofy side, which is so like fun and adorable. But I love her husband so much, Grant. He is so funny. It's so funny because, like, I don't know, whenever I see them together, they just seem like a couple I would have thought would have been like such a good couple, like personality wise. But I feel like they are so adorable. I love watching their videos. I love her vlogs. I really, honestly, I like her vlogs more than her beauty content. I feel like she kind of does an equal mix of those, but it's just so interesting. Her dog Luna is adorable, and she is just, again, so fun, so entertaining, such a breath of fresh air, and again, another like really humble, down-to-earth person. I think you'll see that's a theme with a lot of people that I watch. I really just don't like those crazy, over-the-top, like showing everything they own type of people. That's just not my thing. But she's just so interesting, and I've really been interested in her like trying to conceive journey at the moment. She's like going through IVF and stuff like that, and I feel like that's just, even though that's like nothing I'm personally interested in, I still find it like so interesting to watch and stuff like that. It's just so good. Okay, the next person on my list, again, this is in no order, but Raw Beauty Christie. If you don't know who she is, then you are totally off the rock. I first subscribed to her back when she did her Subculture palette review. That was the video that really popped off, that like I saw her watching her actual YouTube videos, and I got so much of her personality. She is so funny, so like, I don't even know how to describe her humor, but it's so good, and she's incredibly talented when it comes to makeup. Like, unbelievably talented, and I like wish I had like a 100th of her talent when it comes to makeup. But she is, again, so precious, and I'm so happy for her. She obviously had dealt with infertility for like over 10 years or something like that, and she got pregnant and she's having a baby, and I'm just so happy for her. She is amazing, and just someone who I love watching her 50-minute videos of her just putting on makeup and talking about the random ass shit ever. I love her so much. Okay, the next one is Jen Loves Reviews. Now, this was a person I think I found through Emily Noel like maybe 2 or 3 years ago, and at first I didn't really like her videos at first, just because I felt like this is when she was still doing the very kind of like news segmented type of beauty, which I feel like Emily Noel used to do that as well. But honestly, I love Jen Reviews just because she's so level-headed, and again, she's, like I'll say a million times, she's so humble and so down to earth and stuff like that. But she does really good like in-depth skincare reviews. She's really knowledgeable about different chemicals and stuff like that, which I'm not gonna lie, skincare wise and like the chemistry behind it, I'm not that interested in, but she makes me interested in it just because the way she talks about it, the way she presents stuff. I love her. She's definitely someone I'm really subscribed to for more of like her knowledge of other things rather than just makeup, because there's a ton of people on this list that are amazing at makeup, and there's a ton of these people that are not the best at makeup, but that's not why I'm subscribed to them. I'm subscribed to them because of their personality and just their charisma, and Jen Loves Reviews is definitely one of those. I think that she is so awesome. I love her live chats. I always watch them on replay, and I just like her because she does a little bit mix of like beauty commentary of like the whole YouTube community and stuff like that without it being so drama channel-y kind of vibes. It really just feels like you know, talking to a friend about stuff that's going on in the community, and I really enjoy all of her videos as well. Next up is Bailey Sarian, who I feel like just blew up over the like the last like year to a few months ago. Like, she just has absolutely blown up, and she's another one of those people that is amazing at makeup. Like, you subscribe to her for like the beautiful makeup looks that she does, but what keeps you is her murder makeup mystery Mondays. Is that how we say it? Is it makeup murder mystery? No, it's all those words in some order. She is so funny because she tells stories of really horrific and gruesome like serial killer murders and all kinds of stuff like that, and true crime, but she mixes it with like the beauty, and she does it in such a way that makes it so entertaining. Like, I could listen to her for hours, which I did. Like, when I found her channel, I think I probably binged watched like 20 of her videos all at once, and I could not stop, just because number one, she is so beautiful. She's again has that really sarcastic kind of funny sense of humor, and she is just so amazing at makeup. Like, I don't know how she does it, but she is amazing. Again, if you are really interested in true crime and beauty, this channel was made for you. Okay, next in line was Emily Noel. She is definitely one of the OG YouTubers I've been watching forever. I do have to admit, I have a huge backlog of her videos to catch up on, but she is just, again, a very humble person. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm not really subscribed to her for like her makeup videos like I am for like Bailey Sarian, but she just, I really enjoy like the positivity that she exudes. She's just a very down-to-earth, humble person, like I've said 1,000 other times, but she is just really good, and she has been in the game forever. So definitely check her out if you are not familiar with her videos, and she is so good at coming up with a whole bunch of like unique video ideas that I've never thought of before, so I definitely get a lot of video inspiration from her, so definitely check her videos out. Next is Elle Fowler, again, one of the most like from day one type YouTubers when I think of beauty community. She really, like, her and her sister were the like top beauty gurus for the longest time, and then they kind of like honestly faded away, and kind of, you know, other people came in and took those spots or whatever. But she's recently come back and done a lot more videos on her Elle Fowler channel, which I really enjoyed, and there's something about her that's just very nostalgic, and I love her videos so much. I definitely was inspired to create stickers because of her, and I'm just really, I don't know, she seems like she's just very like nostalgic for me, and it reminds me of being like 13, 14 years old watching her on YouTube, literally like almost growing up with her and stuff, watching her videos. And so I'm just so glad to like see her come back, and even though she doesn't post like super regularly, you know, she might have like a video or two every few weeks, and it really makes me happy when I see her videos in my subscription feed. Okay, another OG YouTuber is Leisha, used to be ex-Sparkage. She, I don't think, has made many videos on YouTube very much anymore. I think she does a lot more like streaming, like on Twitch, and I think like on Amazon streaming thing. So I honestly haven't kept up with any of her stuff on other platforms, but I remember she was just Again, another very nostalgic YouTuber that I always loved watching. Her makeup was very like fun and creative and colorful in the beginning when she was first starting out, and I feel like she always had like the prettiest hair and all kinds of stuff. So even though I really miss that she's not really posting on YouTube as much as she used to, I really do miss her videos, but she had such a good personality and I loved watching her videos as well. Okay, so this one is a little bit of a different one from the others, just in the sense that ShanXO is my next one, and what I love watching from her videos, I'm not gonna lie, is the massive like PR haul unboxings, like seeing all that kind of stuff. Like typically that kind of stuff doesn't really speak to me too much, just because it's very, I'm not saying that she tries to do it, but it can kind of come off very showy and very excessive and very I don't know, almost wasteful at times. But I love watching her videos when it comes to PR hauls, and especially her declutter kind of series. Like, she has so much makeup, I could never imagine. Like, I have a crap ton of makeup, but I could not imagine having the amount of makeup she has. But it's, I don't know, she's just one of those people. Again, I have a big backlog of her videos to catch up on, but she's another one I really like watching her videos, and I love her accent so much. She's from New Zealand, but she's just so pretty, and I think she's getting married soon, or I don't know, but it's very interesting. And again, I love her channel. All right, and the final one on my list is Smoky Glow. I believe her name is Hannah. Is that right? Is it Hannah? She's probably like the most recent beauty channel I have subscribed to. And what I really like about her is, again, she's not someone I watch for makeup content. She's more of, at least to me, and from the videos I've watched recently, she, again, kind of similar to Jen Loves Review. I believe that's who I found her through, so it makes sense that they kind of do a little bit of similar stuff. But I really enjoy watching like her, again, her beauty community kind of commentary videos. You know, I think that she talks about, you know, kind of some dramatic or drama things, but she almost elevates it into a very like intellectual conversation, and takes it beyond just like, oh, this person was shading this other YouTuber. She like talks about it in such a way that almost like really just, I don't know, she's just so intelligent, obviously, and a very beautiful girl, and I like watching her commentary videos just about like YouTube in general and stuff. I don't know, she just has a really good way of taking like these like really petty, dramatic, drama, bullshit kind of things and talks about it like in a wider picture, like, okay, this is how this relates in this way to society or something like that. I feel like she's just a very, very intelligent girl, and I love watching her videos, love her channel, and she's just so interesting, and I feel like her channel is really starting to kind of like skyrocket as well. So definitely a really, really good one to check out if you are interested in more of like the drama-y sides of YouTube, but it doesn't feel like the gross like drama channel kind of thing. It's definitely not like that at all. So I really, really love her channel. So yeah, that is it for my top 10 beauty YouTubers that I like to watch. Of course, there are a million more that I love watching, but these were just the ones that really stuck out in my head. Let me know if you guys have any recommendations for any other beauty channels that you would recommend me watching. I'm gonna say really quickly a couple things I do and don't like. I'm not a huge fan of like the super big top creators that are so high up. They've got like tens of millions of subscribers and stuff that just okay, I'm gonna say it, I don't really like the like Jaclyn Hill type YouTubers. She's a great person, she's fine, she's beautiful, whatever, she's killing it, she's doing her thing, but it's just her content does not speak to me, and I don't know, I've never really been about those types of YouTubers that are just all the way at the top. I really kind of like more of like, you know, mid-range YouTubers, especially smaller channels that are great and undiscovered. I would love to find more channels like that. So definitely recommend some if you guys have any from me, and let me know what kind of beauty videos do you guys like watching as well. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.